Hello. So today we're gonna change the oil, and we're gonna figure out this other problem because there's no dipstick. We have it, but apparently there's like something plugged in there. So we're gonna drop the oil pan and check out what it is. And so we're gonna need a gasket, the washer, oil. We got the oil filter too. So we'll jack it up, drain the oil. We'll see what happens. First, I'm gonna take this guy off. Ran it for a little bit so that the oil gets a little bit warm, so it'll come out easier. Okay, let's jack it up now. Okay, so we're just gonna use this guy here to jack it up. Set in the manual, you can jack it up here, I think. So make sure to put something behind your tires and your parking brake all the way up. I'm jacking it. These two pieces. Okay, so then once you've got it up to the height you want, you'll take a jack stand and you just put them on these pinch welds right here, the notches. In the manual it says you should put them there for the stands. Oh, this one's a nut. Hold on a second. Yeah, so like set it to the height you want. There'll be a hole here. So right. First hole. Now you just want to gently drop those guys on there. I'm not very good at this part. But we'll see what happens. Oh, it's lowering. Holy moly. Okay, yeah. It's a bit harsh. Okay, so that's on the stands. Should be okay, but you should always leave this guy like under a jack point, so in case those do fail, this will catch it. You can run. Okay, so we're at the oil. Hold on, I gotta turn my body over. Should have lifted this up more. Okay, we're here. So now we will, loosen it. Okay, so Hulk put that bolt in, so it's super tight. But just get your oil pan thingy in there, and then just slowly back it out until there's a dripping. Okay, I don't really want to get this all over my hands, but I don't have gloves. So let's see how this goes. The good stuff. Oh. Okay, so next. Come here. Oh. so cramped. There's the oil filter. So, like, we'll try and get that out. So that one was just hand tight. This exhaust is messed up. Let me just. There's gonna be oil. Oh, it's draining really nicely. Okay, let's take that out. That up. This thing is oily. So now it's dripping just a bit. So we'll put this guy back in. There's not much oil in that, man. It's dangerous. Put it back in. Just get rid of the drip because it's pretty much just drained. Okay, so let's get everything out of here. Okay, so get everything out from under. Just put that. I'm gonna take these three off so we can drop the exhaust because it's blocking this thing. So just loosen these guys. It's gonna be 3. It's 14 mil. This was also 14. So. Okay, so it doesn't come out easily. So a ton of what is it? Penetrant. Yeah. And hopes and dreams. Let's see what happens. I'll be back. Okay, so I couldn't get this off. These guys are like on there. It's insane. What? Okay, anyways. But so you can take it off without that, right? And got under here, looked at it. You can see there's literal bolts missing. And it's even worse on this side over here. There's literally nothing. Like, look. Yeah. And then so these ones, like, yeah. So, like, tried getting something on there. They're not. They're pretty rounded out, I think. But they're literally finger tight. The sealant on this guy. So we're gonna get the cork on there and put the sealant. But like, what is going on here? There's that stuff on there. Come on. What do you think about this one? Is this one finger tight? Oh. Yes, it is finger tight. Oh, you know, like 1 inch-pound. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah. And look at that. That one's not even in. Insane. Okay, so these guys are just a bunch of little 10 mils. So we're gonna put 2 on that side and try and pry the other side down. Because it's like pretty stuck on there. Stuck. Sticky. So try that. I think all of them are off right now. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I waited like a while and I just took a break. This thing was annoying. It does not come off. I'm scraping it for a while, but then I come back and I'm like, I just tried this one. It just came off. I guess the penetrate. Here's what. Okay, so I busted out the breaker bar and I broke it. You know, that one, second one came off right there. Next is the third one. It's all the way up there. So I'd say it's going smoothly, I think, for now. Okay. So I got the breaker bar on there. I'm using a kind of an insane amount of extensions because I got the silver one and then I got this black one from another set. So let's just connect the impact right here. And I think I broke it. So let's see. There we go. Almost out. Out. Nice. Finally. Okay. So before you drain the oil, first thing you want to do is put penetrant on these, or like, I use this guy. Performance penetrant. I think this one just sheared off, or I don't know, whatever. Doesn't really matter. Just use the other two. Okay, let's try and get this guy off. Look at this. So I should just, what I'm doing is I'm just pulling it. Oh, I see, okay. So to pull it off, you gotta remove this support up here. So this guy, it's just held on by this. Let me set you up here. Slide it back. I don't really know how to remove these at all. Let's just try and get this thing out. Here it is up here. Just try and slide it. There we go. Oh. No. Ow. Fuck. Okay, whatever. We'll be able to get this guy, I believe. If you would stand right there, I think. Oh yeah, be careful. There's an O2 sensor right here, I think. And this one's the downstream one. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so got it off. Just put my screwdriver in there and pried it open. That's gonna be so bad to put back on though. Like, oh my gosh. But when I did drop it down, it dropped quite a bit. Like, fell on me. But now we have so much space up there. It'll be way easier. Okay, nice. Let's go up there now. Okay, so now let's just hang in there. We'll get more in here now. Okay, so after a little bit of YouTube, we figured out there's another bracket you have to take off. So this is on this side of the engine. This is the transmission here. Probably. And then we have this bracket here. There's a bolt in the back. Bolt here, and one here. And he took that off. I think I will. Okay, so then I think I'll just keep digging at this seam here. This bracket is really annoying. Might take them off. Ow. Just keep on picking at this guy. Let's see if he actually, ow, bends open a bit. No, I don't know. It's not budging. It's annoying. I think I might take this bracket off. So now it's just a matter of taking the oil pan off. I just guess I'm gonna get in there and pry it off because this one's glued down. So. Okay, so it looks like there was an oil dipstick that was broken in here. So that's why they plugged it, but we got that. Or my older brother did it because I couldn't. So, good thing. But now it's just, we gotta shimmy it out, I think. It's, you know, we'll see. So I'm just gonna remove this guy up here real quick because the bottom part of that bracket is blocking it, you see. Yeah, so now that I got that off, I just slid it to that side and got it. It's off now. By the way, it's been like, what, 6 hours? Okay, well, we'll clean this up and see you then. Anyway, it's 8 o'clock now. It's dark as heck. We're getting the RTV. It's in this truck over here. Here it is. Clean up the surface, put RTV and the cork on, put RTV on some of the corners here, and yeah, moved this bracket here. Yeah, okay, it's late now, so gotta get to work tomorrow. Let's do this. So we're gonna put the pan on, and then we're gonna hand tighten them, and then we're gonna give them a little love turn. Okay, let's do it. Okay, well, we're still missing the bolts. Okay, so matter of just putting everything back on. Okay, so we're back, and I guess, or we got the right bolts, I think. They're M6x1. And these ones are 12 millimeters long. I believe they fit. And that's enough. Or not. We'll see. This was a lot easier to put on than I expected. No. This one, I put in as many as I can, which there's still some left out because the RTV is just all stuck in there. But I think it's a good amount now. It's raining, so I gotta get this done before it starts really pouring. Okay, let's jack this down. So to take it off the jack stands, you want to just jack it up and jack it up a bit so that you can just slide these guys. Oh, not yet. So then you can just slide them out and then lower the car. Now we'll just take this guy off and fill her up with oil. This one, use this night. The car is super wet. So we fill this up and then hope there's no leak, or at least if there is, just a small little one. Okay, so now what I'll do is get a rag and just fill it up just a little bit at a time. You know, one time I did this and I filled it up way too much and I had to drain it again. Almost didn't have enough oil. But yeah, so just take your time with this, you know. Take it out. Wipe it. Take it in. Take it out again. Whoops. Yeah. Right there. Hi. That's good. Now we will start her up. Just take this off. Put this back on. Now I checked on the bottom. Doesn't seem to be any leak for now. But let's start it. Check out under it again. Take it for a test drive. And then check under it again. We'll see what happens. It's smoked out right now, but that's my hole right there. The exhaust. There. So far, so good. No leak. I don't think. I'm going under there to check that, see if I'm gonna die. Okay, so then you run it until it's warm, and then turn it off, and then we'll check it again. I let it cool down quite a bit. So I just went and showered and stuff, 40 minutes maybe to an hour. And we'll check the oil level. Wipe it off. And we're kind of in the middle. But that's good for now. I'll keep it like that. Or more than in the middle. Actually, we'll put a little more in right now. Let's do that. Okay, it's ready. We'll take it for the test drive. Come back. Wait a little bit. See if it drips. If it doesn't, we're good. Okay, looks like it's running. No drips or oil leak, I believe. It's all good. Next is that wheel bearing. That thing is loose or shot, whatever you want to say. Good.